Hey everybody, I'm here with some exciting news. Our team at Ramp has designed a way to make business travel less painful, and I can't wait to show you. If you manage travel expenses for your company, you've probably had more awkward conversations than anyone else in the office. You write travel policies that half of the company won't read, and you field the same questions over and over. You chase your colleagues down for receipts just so you can close your books. Chances are, your employees are confused by those policies, and they probably lost half those receipts anyway. We get it, nobody likes to play bad cop, so we set out to fix all that. Now, with Ramp Travel, you can build travel guidelines directly into the booking process, so employees can't help but book in policy. They get access to the best rates, plus no booking fees. You can even reward them for choosing options that cost less. And on the trip, we're with you every step of the way. Ramp collects the receipts, matches them, and sorts them into the right budget for you. And you'll see all travel spend as it happens. Ramp will automatically code and sync transactions to your accounting software, so you can close your books faster and with fewer errors. And then Ramp does the rest. That's it.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. Cool. Thank you, everybody.
Okay.